Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are showcasing the step for how to download attachments from email. First of all, download now Extractor Email Attachment Downloader. Use Extractor Email Attachment Downloader and get these ultimate features. Fastest tool to extract email attachments. Download attachments of many email accounts. Pick specific destination path. Save attachments in multiple file extensions. Install and run Extractor Email Attachment Downloader. More details check description. Simple software interface is an advantage of this utility. User can download email attachments from Gmail, Yahoo, Office 365, Hotmail, Zoho, etc. Here, let's check how to download email attachments from Gmail. Now enter the Gmail account credentials for single account backup. Now enter Gmail app password. If you don't know how to create an app password, check the video description. Now enter the created app password. Use batch mode option for batch conversion. Use proxy option can be only used in case you are converting the emails using proxy server. Then, enter the proxy server details. Now, click on Login button. You can select desired folders for the conversion. Here, you can change the destination path as well as the resultant extract email attachment. Click on Filter option to get advanced feature of the software. This tool offers you multiple filter options that are useful for the task. The software gives you a special option to export extracted attachments in multiple file types. So, check the Use Selective Export settings for extracting attachments. This tool lets you save attachments in multiple file extensions. Check the selected extension option and select extension of your choice like PNG, JPG, DOC, PDF, XLS, GIF, etc. If you want to save the attachments exactly in the same folder, then please check the Save Attachment in Respective Folder option. Now click on Backup button and proceed further. Now, click on Backup button to process the conversion. This tool previews the live conversion progress. Free trial version will allow to extract only 20 email attachments from each folder. To extract all email attachments, you can purchase the license. Click on OK. The software will create saving log.txt file containing converted emails from the total number of emails with folder's name. Go to destination folder and check output file. Here you can see the downloaded attachments. Thank you for watching the video.